Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new archive system here at News 9. Go to the file window and this PC, and you'll notice right here OKC Avid Archive, which is the J drive. Click on that and you're going to notice folders here. So year and then month. So this would be February of 2021, March 2021, April 2021. We also have the file video window, and you'll have different categories here for generic B-roll. This will grow over time. There'll be more video, but since the launch we are limited right now, but more stuff will be moving in here. So let's go back to April of 2021. This is where the show archives are, or the story archives. And you'll notice an 8-digit date, so 2021-0401, and then the story slug. Everything is searchable by date. So you're going to have to know the date of the story that aired, and these dates are when the story actually aired, not when they were archived. So keep that in mind. So once you have the date and you find what you want, the next thing we need to do is to preview this in VLC Media Player. Now, if you don't have this little orange cone icon, it means that it's probably set to default to open as something else. So if you don't have the orange cone, right click on any file, go to Properties, and then up here, Open With, you want to change that to VLC Media Player, click OK, click Apply, and click OK. That will default all of your videos to open in VLC Media Player. And so this here's a package, Small Districts on Education Bill. If you double click that,
yeah, currently school districts get to pick the highest enrollment numbers from either the current school year or the 2 years prior. This new law takes...
So you can actually scroll through this, and it's getting caught up because I have Avid open. But you can scroll through the story
for districts like his that rely closely on
and look at it before you use it. So let's say that's what we want. We want this package. We need to use this. If you're an MMJ, a photographer, or an editor, all you have to do is literally drag that right into Avid. And there it is right here. Now you'll notice up here on the right hand screen it says XDCam HD. Before we start editing, if we are in-house, you have to transcode this first. So you right click, transcode to the news drive, convert video to AV-Centra 50. We don't have to worry about audio, and we transcode. And it is converting the video from XDCam to AV-Centra 50. If you don't do this when you're working at the station, then you're going to get the pink icon on your sequence and you're going to get an error and it's not going to want to send. Then you have to do your video mixdowns. So it's always easier just to go ahead and transcode your video first. It doesn't take that long. If you're working in the field, you don't have to worry about this. This archive is also available to you if you're connected to the VPN. You can connect to the archive and pull video in the field. So just keep that in mind. So this is almost done. And it's now converted, and up here you'll see it changed from XDCam to AV-Centra 50. So now you're ready to edit with that file. If you are a producer and you're wanting to pull from the archive, let's find something short. Altus Officer Saves Family VO. We'll look at it. So we have dash cam video here. And let's say you're a producer and you need to you're running an update, you need this video. Well, you don't have Composer to pull into. But what you do have is your Flip to ISIS folder. And every producer should know how to use that. And all you do is pull it from the archive and drag it into Flip to ISIS. It will copy over. And when this is converted, this will be in Avid in feeds under this name. And then if you're editing in Media Central, you just use that file out of feeds and you can edit. Pretty simple process, pretty easy to use. Editors will be archiving every single day. So again, you can access this in the field or anywhere in the station. And that's our new archive. If you have any questions, please come see me.